And I saw them work too, them work more strategic. I remember saying don't depend on an assignment to take down the head of it. So don't make 2 one phone or one grabber, they blow your cover.
Speaking of assignments, what's the status with Roberto?
One, the tracker was successfully planted. But him seems a little suspicious because him that asked me how him sleep so long.
Look, boy, you're very smart, you know. You tell him says a flu shot and get more.
Yeah man, I tell him.
So, the place already?
Yeah. Alright. Look here. This is where my tracking is today. This is where him stop. And him stop right here so for 2 hours. Remember see that?
You pull him out last night?
Yes.
I never get a problem.
No? I call him and tell him to meet me at the spot where we link up. And him reach. I'ma just carry him at the center.
That's good to know. But that's just the beginning.
Well, it's very encouraging enough to know saying forward and never get a hassle for link up back.
Yeah, but why am I worried? We have a track up on him.
But still I know that.
Because you know think we should have make him more. You know, in case we call him and not decide to come.
Well, man, listen carefully. If you put a tracker in a human body without own consent, it's a total violation to human rights. And at no point in time, you can know about it. And you can't slip up and say it to him.
Whether the person is a civilian or incarcerated, we not have the right to do that. This is a circumstance that is off the books.
And if him not decide to come in one day, I mean, worst case scenario.
We'll go for him. Simple.
It's easier for us to say that he's under surveillance, not that a tracker is in.
Okay, I understand.
Good. So you get a report from him yet?
Not yet. But I plan to talk to him tomorrow. Me even talk to Miss Jane. I tell her I want to have a meeting with the parents them about the dance program. But she said the best time is in the evening because the kids them have summer school. But trust me, them excited.
Yeah, that we might have to put on hold a little bit longer.
Why, Bubbles? Miss Jane said them excited and look forward to it, you know. And that the best time because them not in school.
T, the agency is swamped with work. I remember say you the pan assignment, whisper the pan assignment. I'm not having a personal life I deal with. So we can't take on unnecessary, not unnecessary, but we just can't take on too much work.
Yeah, man, you agree with you, no, bossy? You don't have time. You can't stretch yourself too thin.
Yeah, but you know think if we keep stopping the program or take long to start back, then we're going to lose interest.
That is a risk we might have to take. If we get any kind of suspicion that the base of this phone grabbing thing is up at top here, we don't want to expose the youth to it.
Bossy, get a concern message from it, you know. It look like a little unrest going over Spain.
Again? What happened now?
It look like more phones are get grabbed over there now, and the youth them a get antsy.
Oh, which of them?
Yeah.
You get any report of how much phone grab over there?
Yes, about 3 in 1 week. Surprisingly, it sound like a butcher and spearheaded.
I know them want to protect them community, you know. But they might get themselves in a serious trouble if them behave that kind of way, yeah.
I tell you the truth, you know, bossy. Them that think like it is would have no problem at all. But them I think otherwise.
I have an idea. Cause it seems like more phone are grabbing a Spain than in a town. What if we set up an operation with Roberto?
May I hear you?
Alright, listen. We're gonna use Celine as a decoy. Roberto are gonna grab our phone. We're gonna have a Kiara wait on him, and him are gonna lead way to the mastermind.